In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting in Microsoft Teams. Scheduling a meeting in Teams is a straightforward process, but making sure you do it right can enhance your workflow and ensure smooth communication. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First things first, you'll want to open Microsoft Teams. You can do this using either the desktop app or the web version, depending on what you're more comfortable with. Make sure to sign in with your credentials if you aren't already logged in. Once you're in, focus your attention on the left sidebar where you'll find a series of icons to choose from. Locate the calendar icon and click on it. The calendar is your hub for scheduling meetings and viewing your upcoming events. It gives you a clear picture of your schedule and provides an opportunity to select the best time to meet. Now, you'll want to create a new meeting. Depending on your version, you should see an option for New Meeting either at the top right or top left of your screen. Go ahead and click that. Alternatively, if you're already comfortable with your calendar view, you can skip this button entirely by simply clicking directly on a specific time slot that suits your schedule. This will jumpstart the scheduling process. On this screen, you'll fill in the meeting details starting with a title. Make sure the name you choose is descriptive and clearly states the purpose or topic of the meeting. This helps everyone involved understand what the meeting is about at a glance. Next, it's time to add your attendees. You can do this by typing in their names or email addresses. Be thorough in extending these invites because each person you add will be pivotal to the meeting. Set the date and time for your meeting, marking when it will start and end. If it's necessary to link the meeting to a Teams channel, choose the Add Channel option. Doing so will allow everyone in that channel to easily access the meeting. Adding a detailed description or agenda helps inform participants of the meeting's focus points. Think of it as setting the stage for what you hope to cover. If the meeting is meant to occur regularly, perhaps daily or weekly, you'll want to set up a recurrent schedule. One useful feature you might consider using is the Scheduling Assistant. This tool is especially handy because it shows everyone's availability, helping you avoid any timing conflicts and ensuring the most suitable time slot is chosen. Once you've carefully filled in all the information, it's time to finalize the schedule. Click either Save or Send to save your meeting. Your new meeting now appears on your Teams calendar, and if you've linked it to a channel, it'll be visible there as well. Lastly, when the time comes to join the meeting, simply head back to your calendar, find the meeting, and select Join. So there you have it. Thanks for joining in, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of your meetings in Microsoft Teams.